and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Good morning. Okay. So today we yeah. So today I'm gonna get up, run a couple errands, simply because your girl has officially hit 1K on Mother Tick. Wait a minute. Officially have hit 1K on YouTube. So today I'm gonna take you guys out with me as we prepare to celebrate. Lower these wig braids, now let me be great. As I begin to celebrate me, my channel, my supporters, all 1,006 of you. But no, seriously. I'm gonna go out today. I'm gonna actually get some items from Party City, some balloons rather. I really want my nails done, my toes done. I'm gonna do like a little light makeup. Oh my God. Excuse me, this is what I get for sitting out in this cold weather, supporting my students and, you know, fellow co-workers at the football game Friday. Yeah, but like I said, we're gonna go to Party City, get some balloons, slide over to the nail shop maybe. Of course I need these eyebrows done, honey. I might apply a little makeup, you know, just for the pictures. Then me and my cousin later is supposed to go out to dinner. Oh my God, bro. Supposed to go out to dinner, just to chat or whatever, but I'm gonna turn it into a celebration too for myself, cause why not, honey? You know, we doing it or whatever, cause it took me a long time to get to 1,000, and I just want to thank each of you. And like I said, at 1K the giveaway is on, so I really don't know like what the giveaway is gonna be. If it's gonna be like a gift card to somewhere, a thank you card with a gift card, you know, just something that like a small token of appreciation that I can give one of my subscribers to just say thank you for always supporting me. So watching this video, if you guys would drop a comment in the comment section, telling me what you love about my channel, and whoever comments on here and like my posts on Facebook and Instagram, I'm gonna put you guys all in like the little spinner thing, and then that's how I'm gonna select my winner. So guys, I'm just gonna get up. It's currently, I want to say probably like almost 8 o'clock or whatever, so I'm gonna get up, probably do me like a little light facial cleanse and all that stuff, get myself together, and then I'm gonna do a little cleaning and we're gonna head out. Okay, so got on my little comfortable clothes that I'm wearing out for today. I can't wait to get these light bulbs replaced because the light in my bathroom is horrible. But yeah, I ain't going out looking too bummish, you know. Slap that wig on and call it fair, balled it up a little bit, just so we can go out and get some things done. Like I said, I'm going to get some balloons, some roses. Yeah, just do a little maintenance for these pictures for hitting 1K. Super duper excited. I haven't had my nails done in a long time. My toes look a mess. Like, they look terrible. Yeah, the girls, they get it. When your toes look ugly, it's just like a part of you is missing. So I'm gonna go out and do that. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully I can find my vlogging tool so that I can utilize it at the nail shop. But let's get to it. Ciao. It's cold. Like, most definitely that. Feel like I'm bundled up. I got on a long sleeve shirt, this, and some tights in my Uggs because I didn't want to overdress, simply because I am like going to the nail shop, but at the same time I wanted to make sure I was warm and prepare for the day. But yeah, super excited. It really took me a long time, like I said, to get to 1K. Some days I felt like I was not motivated enough. Just taking long breaks. I could have been made like the 1K, but when I get in that funk, it's just like and it'd be hard for me to like get back at it, do what I gotta do, and push out content for you guys. But most definitely gonna, like you guys have seen, I've been way more consistent, especially with this week being out from work, and then my daughter's out from school. I'll be able to bring you guys some more content. But gonna head to the nail shop. I tried to call my cousin, but I know that she's probably still sleeping, so I'm gonna meet her later today. I'm sure she may come over, and then we may go get some food or whatever we gonna do or whatever. But yeah, heading to the nail shop. So I am finally at Party City to get these, y'all. My eyes been so irritated, like it's crazy. They been so red. But I'm at Party City about to go in and get the little balloons or whatever. I'm real mad because I signed up to their newsletter and I still have not got my 15% off. So we're gonna talk about that when I go in. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows threaded. Then I'm gonna head to get the flowers, and then I'm gonna head home to put like my lashes and stuff on, and then set the room up so I can get the pictures and stuff. Yeah, I'm real excited. Yeah, I don't know why I turned the phone that way, but yeah, let's go. The only pink. Trying to see. Jumbo. So I think I might, cause I don't know, I don't really like these. Ooh, and those are hearts. Let's see, it says bright pink. A time, child. So there are the balloons. About to head to get these brows tamed, go get the roses, and we're going home. Because honey, golly, that stuff hurt. But brows, let's talk about them. Yeah, only thing I gotta say, ooh, my eyes, Lord, and they already irritated. All I be having to say is I like my brows thick, and Miss Ma'am gonna do what needs to be done. I personally prefer to get my eyebrows threaded over waxing, simply because it lasts longer. I have nothing against brow waxing, but my preference is to get mine threaded. Cleaner look, lasts longer, doesn't take a lot of maintenance. It's actually cheaper than eyebrow threading, which is originally $12, but of course I do like $1 tip or whatever, you know, just to tip. And eyebrow threading is like $15 really depends on where you go. That plays a factor in what you gonna pay. But now I'm heading to Kroger to get the flowers. Hopefully they have some roses, cause I'm gonna head there and get those. I need to get some eye drops or something, because this ridiculous. Like, it look like I've been smoking. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Go to Kroger's, get the flowers. I hope they have some, because their red is just gonna set off like the different shades of pink that I'm doing in the shoot. Even though I'm just taking these pictures like off of my phone, I still want them to be like any other pictures would be if they were professional or whatever. But yes, super excited. I got to get in a little self-care time. I was treated to getting my nails and stuff done and just taking care of everything for today, you know. Nah, for real. It actually felt good to get your nails and stuff done. I haven't had my nails done in probably like almost a year. I'm not even playing. Like, I can remember my last nail set plain as day, and it's been almost a year since I had my nails done. I really don't be so big on like the whole nail thing. I mean, I will get my toes done simply because I don't want my feet out and they looking a mess. So I will get my toes done. But other than that, I just be chilling. You know, I'm still working on getting myself together, getting stuff together and stuff like that. But sometimes you just have to do what you gotta do to make yourself feel good, baby. Because if you don't feel good, what you doing? What are you doing? Like, you literally think I done got my eyelashes done, how my eyes are so red. And I don't think I have no eye drops. So I might have to grab some of that out of Kroger too, because I don't need to be looking high in the pictures. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. But I'm gonna try to do like a little dope shoot, get a few snaps or whatever to celebrate the 1K victory. Y'all, I'm sorry, but my eyebrows are, listen, they cute. I mean, you could be having a bad hair day, you get your eyebrows done, and you gonna feel like a bad chick. But anyways, I'm gonna run to Kroger. I really, really, really hope that they have these flowers, because I don't feel like going nowhere else. I really hope they have some, like, real talk. I hope everybody ain't on the same stuff that I'm on, because I know some people, they do just be buying flowers. But we finna see. We finna see. Of course, I'm gonna record and get for you guys me setting up the little photo thing or whatever, because, you know, trying to get this good get this good little footage. Ooh, bless me. Woo. Jeez. Of course they wouldn't have the red roses, but you might as well do the different shades of pink. I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it. They're still cute. So we're gonna go home and get ready for this shoot. So I'm home. Kind of set it back some, and I gotta figure out how I want everything to be. So we're gonna I wonder, I mean, I know it'll be in a picture so you guys can kind of see. And it's like okay, so you guys kind of get the picture, kind of see. This one I'm gonna be taking the pictures myself like right there, but like right here. And then where would I put the one in the K? So it's like down, you know? So we like one. Yeah. Clean it away. Be like 1K per. So we gotta get it together. Put it out just a little bit more. Ooh. So exciting. So it's like this little setup. Of course, I'm gonna have like the flowers and stuff like that. So let me get ready. So I'm just gonna give you guys an idea of what it's gonna look like. Oh, I hope it stays. Come on, guys. So it's gonna kind of be like with this aesthetic. I'm gonna utilize the chair. I'm gonna do some with apple chair, and you know, just kind of have fun with it. And you guys get the picture. I am gonna post these on Instagram, or they may already be posted by the time you guys get this video. But please make sure you head over to my Instagram and my Facebook page to like and comment. Let's get to work. Okay. This lighting is horrible, but you know. On the way to the little restaurant or whatever. I gotta give you some more makeup products because some of these looks be needing a little beat. But the shade is not right. So yeah, I gotta figure out where I'm going. I don't even know what restaurant we finna eat at. We just meeting each other over there. But yeah, see you guys at the restaurant.